Hey guys, there's a lot of new trends on TikTok, but today I want to introduce a new one, the Dancing Grandma Challenge. So, Grandma, you up for it?
Well, I'll try.
Get down in the car, one time give it all.
Let's see if you can keep up with Grandma. Grandma!
Oh, I think I need a hit.
Well, the dancing challenge didn't go as planned, but she's kind of hurt right now, so we got to get her to the hospital, so let's go. If y'all been following along, we got Grandma's x-rays. She's not doing too well, but luckily we're in the Orthopedic Capital of the world, so she's in good hands. Oh my.
In the world of orthopedics, it takes a team of problem solvers to create life-changing solutions. Like a hip replacement for Grandma. Which of these careers sound interesting to you? Engineers. Usually lovers of math and science. They want to know how and why things work. Material scientists. Do you like stretching something until it snaps, then figuring out why it happened? That's what a material scientist does. They work on creating materials that are strong, flexible, and can even be used inside your body. Like Grandma's new hip. Clinical researchers. Kind of like detectives. They dig deep into the data, making sure every solution is safe and effective. Quality managers. When they were your age, quality managers probably triple-check their homework. Regulatory affairs specialists. These are the people who make sure everyone follows the rules. Production managers and CNC machinists. Do you find enjoyment in putting together tiny Lego pieces to build something amazing? They do something similar, operating advanced machinery, bringing the small pieces to life. Assembly line teams. They love details and working with their hands, assembling each piece with care to create life-changing devices. Sales and marketing teams. Has anyone ever said that you're great at telling stories? If yes, you might love a career in sales and marketing. People in these jobs share the story of a product, showing the world new ideas and helping doctors pick the best options for their patients. Clinical trial managers. Do you like knowing why things work the way that they work? Working with patients and scientists, they create studies that make new solutions possible. Supply chain and logistics managers. Do you remember setting up your first lemonade stand, making the lemonade, and collecting 25 cents for each sale? Well done. You are acting like a supply chain and logistics manager. These are the people who plan and make sure products get where they need to be right on time. Polishers. These are the artisans of orthopedics, making sure that every product comes out looking its best. IT support and software developers. Do you love computers? Well, there's a career for that. IT support and software developers develop new software and keep computer systems running smoothly. HR and recruiters. People who love people. They build the teams that drive all this innovation, finding the right talent for every challenge. Accountants. Are you a lover of numbers and problem solving? You may make a great accountant. Every one of these roles is a key player in transforming ideas into medical miracles. You can be a part of this world right here in Warsaw, where you can be making a difference in the lives of millions around the globe.
Wow, thanks to all the amazing people in orthopedics, I'm as good as new.
And who knows, maybe one of you guys can help people like Grandma.